I am a proud member of the Anglican Church, but sometimes I feel embarrassed to see the Anglican Church silent in the face of a lot of what you can call immorality and unfairness in society. We are very pleased with what the Catholic clergy have said and the role that they have been continue to play in face of the kind of adversities that we are facing today. The people who are masquerading as true Christians, people who are talking about liberation, liberate the people from poverty, from ignorance, and so on, have turned to be the oppressors of the people. And the church needs to speak. The late Archbishop Okun, remember Bishop Mugi, remember Bishop Gitari. They were the clergy that were prepared to stand up and speak the truth at the time when to speak the truth was actually seen as treason. But they spoke the truth to power. When you praise people and put them to the levels of saints, that they are true Christians, you're actually elevating them to the levels where they think that they are completely untouchable. There's nothing wrong in collecting taxes. What is wrong is embezzling taxes which have been collected. And then when those taxes are punitive, then it is wrong.
Na yo thirikari nĩ gĩthingatĩtwo kweheria